Ever felt like you're busy all day but still not getting anywhere? Like your to-do list grows faster than you can check things off? You're not alone, and the truth is, we don't have a productivity problem. We have a clarity problem. In Focus on What Matters, Darius Foroux flips the script on modern productivity. He shows us that the real game isn't doing more. It's doing less, but better. Productivity is not progress. It's easy to confuse being busy with being effective. We pack our calendars, check emails constantly, and chase every task like it's urgent. But here's the kicker. Activity doesn't equal achievement. Foroux reminds us that progress only happens when we're moving towards something that matters. Think of it like being on a treadmill versus hiking a trail. Both are exhausting, but only one actually takes you somewhere. A simple action? Write down your real goals, not just tasks, but outcomes that truly matter to you. Then ask, what's the one thing I can do today that makes the biggest difference? Start your day there. Eliminate to elevate. Here's where it gets counterintuitive. The secret to focus isn't doing more, it's doing less. Foroux argues that most of our distractions aren't accidents. We allow them because they help us avoid the discomfort of deep work. We check our phones, scroll through feeds, and say yes to things we don't even care about, just to stay comfortably distracted. But when you strip away the noise, the important work becomes clear, and often unavoidable. Here's a nudge. Try a zero-based calendar for 1 week. Start with nothing on your schedule, and add only the things that directly serve your top priorities. Watch how much clearer your days become. Consistency is the real magic. Want to know what separates people who make real progress from those who spin their wheels? It's not talent. It's not luck. It's consistency. Foroux emphasizes that doing small, meaningful work daily is infinitely more powerful than chasing bursts of inspiration, whether it's writing, exercising, building a business, or learning a skill. It's not about how much you do in one day. It's about what you do every day. Imagine brushing your teeth once a month for an hour. Sounds ridiculous, right? Progress works the same way. It needs daily deposits. Start small. Pick one high-impact habit, just one, and commit to doing it for 10 minutes a day. Over time, those minutes turn into momentum. Clarity beats hustle. To wrap it up, Focus on What Matters is a call to slow down, zoom out, and get clear. When you focus on what truly matters and cut the rest, everything changes. You stop reacting and start choosing. You stop spinning and start moving forward. This is just the surface. There's a brilliant story in Chapter 5 about Warren Buffett's avoid at all costs list that really drives this point home. If this sparked something, I've linked the full book in the description. Definitely check it out. And if you want more crisp 5-minute book summaries like this, hit that subscribe button.